The theme of this video is toss it or keep it. And what I'm hoping you can get from this video is some fun, some entertainment, also some permission to let things go that are not working for you anymore, and also a new look at some of the things that you might already own. This is something I wear probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 times a week. Jeans and this shirt. Now I really do like this shirt. This is a petite size, so it falls in the correct place on me. I have 2 of them. They're just a cotton 3/4 sleeve. I'll put the brand up here, and they're very serviceable. Actually, I have a black one too, so I have 3 of these tops, and they're fine. They're fine. They're cotton, so it's kind of like a t-shirt. It's not dressy, but it works for a lot of things, so these will be staying for sure. These are also gonna stay. They're gonna stay as my gardening pants, my, if I need to get dirty pants. These used to be my good jeans, but what's happened is they're so stretched out. Look at this. I mean, I wish this was, me getting more fit, but it's not. They're just stretched out. This is not a good fit. They fall down when I pull them up. They're just so stretched out. So these are going to now be my get dirty jeans, and I'm not going to wear them around anymore. I guess that would mean I need to take them off now. So if you have things like that in your closet or your drawers or whatever, yes, they're serviceable. Yes, they're probably really comfortable, but they're stretched out, they're ripped, they're dingy, they're ill-fitting. Maybe it's time to put that in the work clothes bin, or just release it, just get rid of it altogether. Now, honestly, this little sweater, I thought I was going to donate. But I tried it on again, and it's like, I love this little sweater. It fits me well. It's the right length here. It's kind of short, and it's warm, and it's cute, and I feel good in it. But if I hadn't tried it on, and tried it on with a pair of pants that I might wear it with, I may not have known that. Here's another kind of an example that you might run into. I love something about this top. I love the color of it. I like that it's stretch material. I like that kind of a pullover kind of a top. But it's it's a little snug around the chest area for me, and I'm not comfortable in it in my mind. And because it's so snug, it accentuates my belly. I don't think it's particularly flattering on me. So in this case, even though there's part of it that I love, I'm going to donate it. You might have those kind of things too in your closet. Things that there's something about it that you just love, 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 but there's something else about it that's just not right, and you don't feel comfortable in it, and you're never wearing it. In that case, you might want to let it go. Here's an example of a cute little shirt that I actually kind of love, but it's not really my style. I'm not really a ruffles gal. I sort of like the color. I don't know, I don't choose it. Do I feel great in it? Even though I like it, theoretically, I really don't. You probably have things like this in your closet too. Again, there's something about it that you really like, but you're just not choosing it. A strategy that a commenter mentioned once is turning your hangers around all the wrong way, whatever that is for you, and then when you wear something, turn it around the right way. And over time, you can see the things that you're never wearing. And honestly, if you're never wearing it, just get rid of it, because especially if you're over 50, but at any age really, but especially if you're over 50, let's get stuff that we want. I mean, now is the time for us to really be expressing our true selves. I'm not going to subject you to the full, the fact that they don't actually even come close to closing. These were purchased at a time when now obviously my weight was a lot lower, but you know what? It's a weight that I probably am not going to be able to get to and maintain. And even if I do, these pants, even though I still love this and might wear them, they're a very low rise. They're out of style now. So you know what? If my weight ends up down at this weight again, great, I'll get some new appropriate clothing. But even though these were expensive, even though I love them and my husband bought them for me, I'm going to release them to someone who can enjoy them. Here's an example of some pants that I thought for sure I was going to donate. They're loose and so comfortable. They're made out of a linen type material, so they're cool and perfect for summer, but they're very loose and I always felt a little dumpy in them. But I found that if I belted the top to give myself some waist definition, and this might look good too with a wide black belt, but I just don't own one right now, but just putting a belt on it made it look so much more fitted to my body, and I don't feel like I'm wearing slouchy clothes with the belt. Try some accessories. Look in your closet. Can you put a belt on it? What if you wear a long necklace with it? What if you wore it with boots? So accessorizing can help, and if it doesn't, then you have the confidence to donate it. Here's an example of a hard one for me, and if you've watched my channel before, you've seen these pants. These pants I got at a thrift store, and they've got this bird embroidered on them, and I love it. I've worn them once or twice, but here's the thing, and you may have things like this too. I love this. But do I want to wear this? Is this something that I want in my clothes? So look for things like this. Do you have things like this in your closet that maybe they're kind of kooky? Maybe you sort of love them because they're polka dotted, or they have, they remind you of Minnie Mouse or Cinderella or something like that, but really they don't suit your clothing style. Maybe those it's time to donate. Here's an example that's a hard one for me. It's a jacket. I really like the jacket. It's comfortable. It is a little bit big for me, but all in all, I love it. It even has pockets and it has a little sentimental value. But there are sweat stains under the arms, and the dry cleaners said that they couldn't get them out. So I'm never gonna wear this jacket. I suppose I'll give it a shot. Maybe I'll look online and see if there's a way I can try to remove the stains myself. I may not even bother. But the bottom line is, if you have something like that that is stained, maybe there's something wrong with it that you can't repair, but you like it, but you're never gonna wear it because of the defect in it, I think it's time to donate it or throw it away in this case. Also, I have another white blazer that looks very similar. It's actually not quite as nice as the other one, but it does fit my body a little bit better and it will do. So that's another thing you can ask yourself. Do you have multiples? Especially if you're not wearing something. If you're wearing your multiples, well then keep them, because they might have subtle differences that you like for one style and not the other. But if there's something that isn't working for you, but you're hanging on to it for whatever reason, and you have something very similar that you could wear instead, maybe it's time to donate that other item. That's what I have for you today. I hope that this inspires you to get in your closet and do two things. One, look at things that really don't work for you anymore and release them. Let them go so that you can make room for something that will. And also to kind of play around with the clothes that you have. Add an accessory. Maybe put something on that you don't wear because you've just gotten used to wearing your sweatpants and loungewear, but it's actually pretty comfortable and you can make a cute outfit out of it. And take a picture of that outfit. That was a suggestion that a commenter left, and I thought it was a great suggestion. If you put something together that you really like, take a picture of it so that you can remember it for later. Maybe you noticed the flowers in the background. On my other channel, I made a vase arrangement using fall colors but adding a little purple. If you're interested in floral arranging and would like to see the tutorial for the vase arrangement, check out my other channel, Flower Life, and I will link the video below. Thank you for watching this video. Leave me any comments below, and I hope you have a beautiful day. All right, take, I don't know, 20?